Hello guys and welcome to This is Different Science with Legolukey. This one is just a bit of a side off topic while we move on and wait for the 20th video, which is going to be a great video because I had a lot of fun making it. Anyway, so let's keep moving on to Science with Legolukey. Today I'm going to show you through a specific field of science, and I'm going to show you easy ways to learn about it in a quick, simple and easy manner. Remember that you can keep looking back to this video whenever you want because it's always online, always on YouTube. So, let's keep moving on. The specific area I'm going to talk about today is, of course, the colour spectrum. Now, in the colour spectrum, there are, of course, 7 colours, which I will go through in a little while. 7 colours, when combined in equal portions, add up to create white. Now, white, I'm talking about white light, not white colour, because the colour of light is different to the colour spectrum of art. So if you're an art student, you might not like this very much because it's a bit different, so don't get muddled up if you're a young art student. Anyway, so the colour spectrum consists of 7 colours called red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. And together, in equal measures, they create white light. So I'm going to move on and show you an easy way to remember the colour spectrum. Roy G. Biv. This is how I remember the colour spectrum. So once you get Roy G. Biv in your head, you know the order of the colours, because they are in a specific order. The colours of the rainbow are in a specific order, because the colours of the rainbow is actually the colour spectrum. So, I'm going to show, because of course, the rainbow is just refracted light that splits up the white light into all the separate colours of the rainbow. Now, I'm going to show you an image on Google Images later about splitting up of white light into different colours, but that can wait. So I'm going to let you guess, what do you guys think Roy G. Biv means? I'm going to give you a little while to think about it. Okay, now if you guys are still thinking about it, you can pause the video now. Okay, so of course, let me move on. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. They are the 7 colours of the spectrum, and that is the order they are in. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That is a specific order, and it's not just a random order. That's why Roy G. Biv is such a great thing, because I always remember Roy G. Biv, and I know red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Once you get Roy G. Biv into your head, it's stuck there, trust me. I know, I've done it, and it's stuck in there now, so that's why I'm letting you read off the script and I know Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the primary colours of light, not the primary colours of pigments or art, which are different, just a slightly different. So these are the primary colours of, you guessed it, light. The primary colours are red, blue, and green, instead of red, blue, and yellow, which are in pigments, because pigments are different to light. Because in light, red, blue, and green cannot be mixed with anything else, but yellow, which is usually a primary colour in art, can be. So therefore, it is not. And green cannot be formed through light, as it can be in art. So as long as you get that in your mind, in your head, you shouldn't be too confused. So the colours are, of course, blue, red, green, and they are the primary colours. Now, red and blue mix to form magenta, red and green mix to form yellow, and when blue and green light mix, they form, cyan. And when they are all mixed in equal proportions, they give you white light. Now, the objects you see around us, their colour is given by the light in which they reflect. So a red object would absorb all light except red. That's why the object would appear red. Now, that is the same for all colours. So if you shine a yellow light on a red surface, it would still show red because the yellow has red in it. So therefore it is still a red subject. Now, black colour can't really be counted as a colour. Some people call it shade. But a black object is a black object when it does not reflect any light. It absorbs all the colours of the spectrum, which gives it, of course, the black colour. And of course, white objects reflect all the light, does not absorb any colour light. And that is how filters are used. Colour filters, so a red colour filter would only allow red light to pass through and would absorb all the other light. Now, green colour filter would do the same, except instead of letting through the red, it would only let through the green. So you could shine a yellow light and it would come through as green. Now, an easy way to remember this is to go on a Hudson light box experiment, which is a fun experiment. But I'm not going to show you that because this is, of course, a video. So I'm going to show you how you can split white light into the colours of the spectrum. Now, of course, the process of splitting up white light into the colours of the spectrum is called dispersion. So don't worry if you don't get it. With this little image, we'll do it. So images. And of course, the process of splitting up the white light through into the 7 colours is called dispersion. And in order to do this, you need a triangular prism. And this will split up the green lights because the different colours lights bend at different angles. So that is how you learn. So I'm going to show you this picture. I like it. As you can see in this image, white light enters the triangular prism and exits as all these different colours. And this is called the process of dispersion. Of course, if you want a more scientific view into light and the colour spectrum, please go see your science teacher and not me. So, back to the PowerPoint. So, these are the primary colours of light, and when mixed in equal proportions, they form the colour white. This has been a science tutorial with Legolukey. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you comment down below any feedback, like and subscribe for more updates and videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until we meet again, see you guys later. If you guys have any queries or anything, you can leave a comment down below, ask your science teacher, or simply just send it to legolukeytutorials@gmail.com, as seen on my YouTube channel page.